guys, it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. Today I am going to be reviewing KKW Fragrance's Kimoji Hearts, specifically Ride or Die. So I wasn't the biggest fan of the last launch, the Crystal Gardenia Citrus specifically, but I also wasn't the biggest hater. I was very neutral about this. Now I know Kim Kardashian probably doesn't watch my videos, but this specific fragrance sounded like it had more fruity notes to it than the Crystal Gardenia Citrus. So I had to check it out. I told myself, if I don't like this, I'm not gonna get any more KKW fragrances anymore because I just don't want to waste my time on it. I'm going to read you what it says it's about. It's temptingly sweet, delightfully complex. Kimoji Hearts Ride or Die offers a delectable opening featuring luscious blackberry and juicy purple plum. The heart is fierce, with notes of night blooming jasmine and raspberry nectar. Caramel swirls paired with tonka bean adds depth and elegance to the signature finish. All right, notes. The top notes: Mandarin Diva. I don't know if I said that right. Luscious blackberry, juicy purple plum. The heart notes are gardenia blossom, night blooming jasmine, raspberry nectar. And the base notes are vanilla cream, caramel swirls, tonka bean. Since it's kind of hard to gauge my opinion, I keep it 100% honest always. I kind of want to give you guys like a base of perfumes that I do really enjoy that are kind of well known. So I personally love Britney Spears' fragrance, the Midnight fragrance. Oh, it smells so good. And I also really like Prada Candy. So let's get to it. I just want to say that the packaging for this and the packaging for the last one is like seriously on point. It is so thoughtful and it has so much attention to detail, and I really, really appreciate that. I'm just hoping that I like the smell. So it's a lot smaller than what I thought. It is basically the size of my palm. Now, one thing that I forgot to mention is that unfortunately all of them are sold out and it is a limited edition, and there doesn't seem to be any indication of any restocks. But I mean, who knows, maybe next Valentine's Day this will be back there. I don't know. All right, here we go. I always get really nervous when I spray. Okay. It smells so good. Ooh, it smells so good. It kind of smells like you're inside of a sweet tart. Yeah, but like with a plum. I know that there's not plum sweet tarts, but if there was a plum sweet tart, this is exactly what that would be. That smell would be like. I really love this, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, it smells so good. I think it smells different. My biggest thing about perfumes is that I feel like there's a general scent that just is like kind of across all perfumes. Kind of like the Crystal Gardenia Citrus just smells like a traditional perfume to me, nothing special. But this is super special. It smells so good, guys. Like, damn. I did not think I would be saying that, but you know me, you can trust me. It smells so good. I hope that you guys got it. And if you didn't, that's okay. Maybe like tweet at her and maybe there'll be a restock. I don't know. The final notes of the perfume are very kind of muted, obviously, as you would expect, but it still has like a really nice finish. I guess is the vanilla cream that I smell the most, but it smells so good. Honestly, guys, super happy I got this. I have not lost all hope with KKW fragrance, so this is amazing. I'm super proud of her and I can't wait to see what is in line for future fragrances. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure to like it. If it was informational, comment below if there's any fragrances you want me to try out or any fragrances that you like. Or if you tried the Bae and the BFF, I want to know what your opinions on that are. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you guys have a really wonderful Valentine's Day. Bye!